Hey everyone, it's Ben Hardy here, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the all-new 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross with Elise. We're going to get her opinions on the car. With that being said, as always, if you want to save time and money the next time you purchase a car, link to my car buying guide in the description down below. Let's get right into it. First off, I have to tell you what's powering this. So we have a naturally aspirated 2-liter 4-cylinder that goes through a CVT automatic. It's good for 169 horsepower and then 151 pound-feet of torque. Fuel economy is just over 30 miles per gallon for the average. What do you think about that?
Love it.
Good fuel economy. Gotta love that. Also, this is a pain to close. So I'll pick up the hood. So you just have to pull the prop out. I'm holding the hood for you.
Out of the...
Yeah.
Oh, that
and
is
then
a
you have to
pain.
put it up into this clicky thing.
This clicky thing?
This one, down below.
This clicky thing? Oh, I can't see diddly squid. That was almost another word.
Diddly squid. Okay, so what do you think about styling on it?
I think it's neat. When my parents saw it, they were like, it's very unassuming, but that's what Toyota does, so you can like not stand out, which I prefer, unlike him.
Other stuff.
I'd rather not be recognized on the highway or be like, that car is doing something, it needs to be pulled over. You know?
That makes sense.
I drive this.
And then in terms of the wheels, this has like slightly smaller size wheels, so they're 225 millimeters for the width, and then they're 18 inches for the wheel size. So basically, so when I say 225, that's like how wide the tires are, and then 18 inches is just how tall the wheels are. So that helps it get slightly better fuel economy because it doesn't have like massive wheels, and it makes it ride a little bit better because bigger wheels means worse ride quality. But do you think they look cool at least?
Yeah, I think it goes with the vehicle, which is nice because sometimes you see like the wheels and rims on a car and you're like, what are they doing?
So good job, Toyota. Your wheels go with the vehicle. And then here's our, well, I'm trying to like put some sort of order to this video. Here's our full size shot. Again, you said unassuming. Now you might like this feature. So I've got the key fob here, which is not going to pick up because of the sunlight. So if you hold this button, pops the hatch.
Beep!
If I hold it again, it'll stop.
Wait, I need to see the trunk space.
Well, I'm just showing you how you can stop it wherever you want with the key fob. Now I think this one has remote start. We'll see. So I'm going to press this a couple times. So this is super annoying with Toyotas. You have to press it, hold it down.
I think the answer is no.
No remote start. But yeah, that's how you remote start a Toyota. It's not a button. You have to like press the lock button like multiple times.
I don't remote start any vehicle, so that's news to me.
Me too. But anyways, I almost said garage. Storage space. What do you think about it? Is it like enough?
It's not super tall. And it only has 2 rows. Because I'm thinking like, you know, paper towels from Costco, it's tall and wide, and you couldn't fit it in tall, so you'd have to fit it in wide, and then you don't really have space for anything else unless you're going to crowd the other seats.
I think it's, oh.
No, that's a tire.
That's a spare tire, so that doesn't help you out at all.
No, it doesn't. Like average, like if you have kits of stuff for your kid's soccer game or baseball game, you'll be fine. I'm just thinking Costco trips.
Yeah, that makes sense. And then, so this is cool. You can lock it, or you can just close it. It will like lock in and close at the same time. Yeah. What about the back ends? Do you think it looks pretty...
What is it with you and back ends?
Do you think it looks pretty good?
Yeah. I don't have any complaints about it. It like reminds me of a bug's face, but I think that's a good thing with cars because they always look more appealing, I guess more natural, I suppose, other than like manufactured.
That makes sense. Okay, we're gonna go to this side and then we'll have to... Actually, we'll go over to the other side because then he'll be by the driver's seat. So... here's a quick look at the interior and interior too. What do you think about it?
There's not a lot of leg room.
Oh, you want to pop in so you can see?
Well, I can see there's not a lot of leg room. It's visually. You can tell.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, well, my camera doesn't even want to pick it up. There you go.
How little there is. You can't even see it on camera.
That,
I'm sorry. Yeah.
funny.
I'm hungry.
Oh, you're
I'm always hungry. I'm pregnant. I'm hungry. It just happens. I wish I could eat a muffin, but I'm going to be driving and I don't want to get like muffins in the Toyota.
Oh, well, we'll finish this up quickly and then you got muffin time.
And then another one. Not another review, not another muffin.
Yeah.
Muffin.
You can have 2 muffins. I don't care. Muffin. I'm the muffin man. Okay.
Did you know? Never mind.
So, is this front seat comfy?
Vaguely.
Vaguely. It's power adjustable, which is nice. Right. What do you think about power adjustable seats, by the way?
I like them.
More than manual?
No.
Oh, you like manual more?
I like manual more.
Because it's faster?
Because I feel like, yeah. I don't trust robots. I don't know.
Well, that's a computer. Anyways. Okay, well, I'm getting blinded by the sun and it's blocking out your face because it's like the worst time of day to film video. Infotainment system. It's a touchscreen. It's got buttons on the side.
But it's also got buttons.
And you like buttons.
Ah! Yeah, I like buttons.
This has dual zone climate, so I can have a different temperature than you. It has heated seats for the front as well, USB. And you can turn off the auto stop start if you want. The auto stop start basically shuts off the engine when you come to a stop so that you save gas. A lot of people hate that feature. What do you think about that?
I had to get used to it. I did not like it at first. And now, like, driving the Raptor, it does that, doesn't it?
Yeah, the Raptor does that.
It's like, it's dead! Because I drove a manual Jeep that would stall out at lights. I'm like, oh no! But it's fine. I don't even notice it anymore.
That's good. What do you think about this dinky little center console?
All you have to fit right here are tissues and napkins.
Tissues and napkins.
That's what goes there. And sunglasses for mom.
What do you think about it when they, like, do soft touch on the dash, but it's not like leather, it's just kind of like padding?
Padded is better than not padded, I guess.
That's true. And they just do.
I hope nobody's smacking their head on that.
Hey,
Right.
people use it as like a footrest. Oh, it has crossbars at the top too. Let's turn right. Doo-doo-doo. What do you think about how it, I guess, drives?
Drives like a hybrid. No.
It's not a hybrid though.
Oh, it drives like one.
How's that?
It's just got more like zip and pop. It's me. You know.
Most people were saying this car's slow.
It's kind of slow. We're going in a neighborhood, so it's slow. You have to be careful when you're driving multiple different vehicles to remember which ones are slow, so you don't pull out into traffic in a slow vehicle thinking that you can like make it.
Yeah, this one definitely.
It's bad.
This one definitely does that.
This one? Can you turn here?
Yeah, that works. It also has blind spot monitoring for the mirrors.
I feel like all cars come with that these days, which is
No,
good.
they
They
don't.
don't?
Now, like, especially most
Hello.
people.
They're driving in the middle of the road.
Yeah, especially luxury cars. They usually make you pay for everything. It's funny because like cars,
Ew.
like Toyota makes a lot of stuff. This has a lot of stuff standard, but like luxury cars, they'd be like, oh, you want to have air conditioning? That's a $5,000 upgrade.
That's stupid. I'm not gonna buy your luxury vehicle. I'll go to the used car lot and get one that has air conditioning that I don't have to pay extra
I was seeing
for.
if that would make the lighting better. It didn't do anything really.
It's just the wrong time of day.
Yeah.
There's a lot of houses for sale in our neighborhood, but you're not gonna know what our neighborhood is because that's weird.
Yeah.
Don't live by us.
Don't live by us.
We don't water our plants.
Something that's weird about the Corolla Cross is the mirror is like very nice looking with the trim. It like
It
looks out
is.
of it. It's so weird because you have this like very, I would call it like almost utilitarian interior, and then you
Average
just have
interior?
like, yeah, this luxury looking mirror. I don't understand it. It's kind of funny.
I mean, if it's something that you have to deal with frequently, then great. Like, I'm glad it looks like this rather than industrial and bulky.
Yeah,
You know,
that's true.
where this, I don't even think about it.
Just random, the one thing that they don't cheap out on.
I think it's nice.
Fine, I guess closing thoughts on the...
I love getting amazing gas mileage
This one's been getting 30.6.
around town. Yeah. It's awesome.
Yeah, this is one of the few press cars that I haven't had to fill up at all. Usually I have to fill up the press cars, but so far we're doing pretty good. Also, this has, if you want to get better gas mileage, it has an eco heat or cool. So basically, like, for lack of better words, neuters your like climate system, so then it won't cool or heat as aggressively, but then you get better gas mileage. And I think that it also makes it so that it optimizes it for auto stop start, so that the car will stay off for longer.
By seconds, does that make a huge difference?
I don't know. It does give you a timer, so like when you stop, it'll give you a timer and tell you how long your engine's been shut off while you're during your drive.
Oh.
Like you've been shut off for 4 minutes or whatever.
Oh, I don't want to be stuck at a light for 4 minutes. sounds terrible.
Well, it just tells you.
Yeah.
I guess this will close things off. Is there anything else you'd like to say?
All black interior.
The car's just kind of like average, good.
Oh,
also the price. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you, but I have to tell you how much this cost.
I would drive this every day.
$33,000. Do you think that's pretty reasonable for this type of vehicle?
I would drive this every single day because of the gas mileage. And like, it handles well and it's unassuming and I generally like it. But again, I'm in the driver's seat. I don't know how it feels to be passenger or to be in the back. So I can't say from those perspectives of driving it. I'm like, yeah, I could do this all day. All day. And I hate driving. We're home.
No, we're not. We're just going to pretend like we're not. I don't know. $33,000 though, is that too much money or does that seem okay? Reasonable?
I've never bought a car in my life. The only exposure I have to car buying is when my family would buy the 8 like seat vehicles, which are expensive, and then being married to him with the crazy vehicles that he gets. So I have no idea.
It's like $12,000 less than the average price for a brand new car today.
Nice.
Okay, we'll leave it with that. Nice.